For example 16, we'll be looking at a real-world context situation problem. And in this problem, we know that Mr. Dawson has a partial roll of wire that is 18 and a fourth feet long, but he needs a total of 25 and a half feet of wire. We're trying to figure out the gap, so the distance between that 18 and 1/4 to 25 and a half. We want to figure out how much wire he needs, or how much wire is he short. So this would be a subtraction problem, and we could set this up as 25 and a half minus 18 and 1/4. So that is a subtraction expression that could find our solution to this. And the answer to this problem would be how many feet of wire that he is short. Because we are dealing with some pretty big mixed numbers here, I'm not going to change it to improper. I'm going to split it up to find my answer. So our very first step would be to rewrite this as adding the opposite. So this is 25 and a half plus a negative 18 and a fourth. And I'm going to add my integers together. That is 25 plus a negative 18. And then for my fractions, I have 1/2 plus a negative fourth. The 25 plus a negative 18 signs are different, so we're subtracting here. This would leave us with a positive 7. And for the 1/2 plus a negative 1/4, 2 times 4 gives me 8. The diagonal 1 times 4 is 4, plus a negative 1 times 2 is a negative 2. So on top I have 4 and a negative 2, which would leave us with a positive 2. So we're left with 2/8, which can be reduced to 1/4. So we're left with a positive 7 and a positive 1/4. Because of the same signs, we could combine them. 7 plus 1/4 leaves us with 7 and a fourth. And this means that Mr. Dawson is 7 1/4 feet of wire short.